how to log in to Shein account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Shein application on your device. And if you do not have the Shein application, then you can also open the web version of Shein, or you can also go ahead and open your App Store or your Play Store and then download Shein. Once open, tap on the Me option on the bottom right of your screen, and then you will see the sign in/register option. So once you are led to the sign in page, you will see the email or phone number text box. You can also sign in to Shein using your Klarna account or your Google account or your Facebook account or your Apple account. But in today's video, I will sign in using my email. So in the email text box you see there, go ahead and enter your email address and tap on the continue button. You will then be required to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your password and then tap on the continue button again. And with this, if the login credentials that you entered is correct, then you will be logged in to Shein successfully. So this is how you can log in to Shein account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.